Forecast Bar lets you track the weather in any number of locations you care about. Let's take a look at how you can manage your locations. We'll start by pressing the menu button in the top left. This will show you a side list that has the locations that you've already added to Forecast Bar. You may remember you can go to Settings, Appearance, Side Menu, and choose between two different views for this side list. Let's go with the compact view. From here, you can add, remove, and rearrange locations that you care about. But let's add a new location for a trip that we're about to take to New York. Now, given that Forecast Bar uses hyperlocal weather, rather than just add New York as a city, we recommend finding a location that you care about that you can get the explicit weather for. Let's type in the Statue of Liberty rather than just New York. As you type, you'll start to get auto-filled recommendations to make it easier. So here you can see the weather for the Statue of Liberty, which is going to be a lot more accurate than just the entire New York area. Now from this list, I can swipe to be able to delete things, or I can select Edit Locations and drag them to rearrange. If you have iCloud sync on, this location list will synchronize across all of your devices, as well as your Mac if it's using Forecast Bar. We'll cover all of the ways that your phone, tablet, and Mac, as well as your Apple TV and Apple Watch, can use iCloud Sync to stay in sync with Forecast Bar.